In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages in your WP Travel Engine WordPress site for the year 25. If you're looking to expand and enrich your site's navigation, adding new pages is a crucial step. Whether it's an About Us page, a contact page, or a detailed list of your tours, I'm here to guide you through the process. First, let's start by logging into your WordPress dashboard via WP Engine. This is where all the magic happens, as the dashboard is the command center for your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. From this menu, you'll navigate to Pages and then simply click on Add New. This action will open a new page editor, giving you a blank canvas to work with. It's like a fresh sheet of paper ready for you to start painting your site's new elements on. The next step is to type in your page title. Consider what kind of page you want to create. It could be something essential, like About Us, which helps visitors understand your mission and story. Or perhaps a contact page that provides a platform for communication between you and your audience. You could even create a tours page to highlight and promote what your travel engine offers. Whatever the title, make sure it clearly reflects the content it will hold. Now, once you have your title set, it's time to add content or shortcodes. Click into the content area and start inputting your text, images, or even video embeds. If you're familiar with WordPress shortcodes, you know they are powerful tools for adding functionalities. For instance, you could use something like WP Travel Engine Trips to effortlessly generate a tour listing. The focus here is on making the page informative and engaging for your visitors, ensuring it aligns with the overall design of your website. Once you are satisfied with your content, the next move is to publish your page. Look for the Publish button on the right side of the editor. It's an exciting step, as it shifts your content from draft to live, making it visible to all visitors. After publishing, your page is officially part of your website. However, to make it easily accessible, you'll want to display it in your site's navigation menu. To do this, head over to Appearance in the left sidebar, and then click on Menus. Here, you will see an option to add your newly created page to the menu. Simply find the page you've just published, check the box next to it, and click Add to Menu. Don't forget to save your changes by hitting the Save Menu button, and there you have it, a new page created and seamlessly integrated into your site's layout. By following these steps, you've added valuable content to your website, enhancing both functionality and user experience. Thank you for joining today's walkthrough, and until next time, keep building and improving your online presence.